Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Steam and going straight to Settings. Right arrow Downloads, right arrow Steam Library Folders. Once there, click the plus icon to add a new folder on the drive you want. This creates a dedicated library location. You do this because Steam uses library folders to decide where to install and store game files. Make sure the drive has sufficient free GB and is formatted for Windows. Once added, Steam lists it, and you can immediately select it for installs. Once the new library exists, you make it the default if you want future installs there. Steam Settings downloads library folders, right-click the new folder and set it as default. To move installed games, right-click a title in your library, Properties, right arrow Local Files, right arrow Move Install Folder, then pick the new drive. You do this to free space on the old drive and avoid redownloading. After moving, run Verify Integrity to ensure no files were lost and that the game launches properly. To finish, install or move one test game and launch it to confirm the new drive is used. If Steam doesn't show the drive, make sure the disk has a drive letter, is formatted NTFS or compatible, and that your user has write permissions. These are common causes. If installs error, run Steam as administrator, repair the library folder in Steam Settings, or use Steam's Verify Integrity option. One key tip: changing drive ownership or formatting often resolves invisible drive issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.